So this is not necessarily something no one told me, but it's something I think that's super important. If you don't have Google Translate camera, the camera on your phone, download it now. Okay, so because what it will do is it will literally translate whatever language is on like the food menu or a sign. It will pop up in English or whatever for you so that you understand. Best thing ever, because then I get to eat at all of these little restaurants around here, go to whatever spot I want, because it doesn't matter if we speak the same language, you just give me a menu and I'll tell you what I want. I'll just point to it because I don't know what it says. That is a lifesaver, okay? Another thing, when you are getting rides and stuff, check on Google first, because Google will tell you if there's tolls. If there's tolls, you're responsible for paying the tolls out of pocket. Okay, something else. There's all these fruity drinks and stuff, but they are sweet. I don't know if they're using like pure sugar, cane sugar. I don't know what it is, but they are sweet. The sodas are sweet. Not really carbonated as much as it is like sweet juice. So be mindful of that. I got a strawberry soda and a root beer that I don't even want. It's so sweet. The teas, y'all, oh my gosh, I'm addicted to the teas. I'm not a fan of the Thai tea. I don't know what that is. It's like creamy, milky something. Not a fan, but I love me a lychee tea. I love me a strawberry tea. I love me a grape tea, melon. I mean, they got the flavors. They are bomb. I'm literally addicted. Literally addicted. If I could have one every day, I would have one every day. For 75 cents, I have one every day. All right, so those are the things that nobody told me, or I wish somebody had told me in Thailand, or just traveling through Asia in general, because I'm pretty sure from my experience that's everywhere I went. When I went to Bali, they were charging 3%. When I went to Singapore, they were just taxing, so they didn't have to charge 3% because everything was just expensive. But either way, so yes, there's gonna be a couple of other videos where some of this stuff is broken down.